Yo, welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Here it is a triangle, and we have to prove that sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180 degrees. So for proving it, we have to draw a straight line and make many concurrent lines, and these are the angles. Name it ABCD, and the sum of A plus B plus C plus D angles will be 180 degrees, as it is a straight line, so it will be 180 degrees. Now I hope that you know the concepts of parallel lines, and this is the line that I have drawn, and let this angle and this angle as 1 and 2, and now the sum of angle 1 plus angle A plus angle 2 must be 180 degrees, as it is a straight line. Now this line is parallel to BC. Okay, so I will show this parallel lines by making arrow. Now this angle 2 must be equal to this angle C, as these are alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle B also equal to angle 1, and now I have already proved that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees, and these are angles of triangle as well. Hopefully you get it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.